Hey, how you doing? What I want to do today is show you how to take a logo or a drawing and turn it to a DXF where we can put it into MasterCAM. All right, so let's first start out with we're going to be using a document called Inkscape, and I'll put the link down below how to get to it. But what we need to do now is we need to go to go to Google Images. Let's see, Google. I'm gonna go to Google Images, and I'm just gonna type in Batman. All right, that's I'm gonna do the Batman logo. Because there's all kinds of stuff on there. I'm gonna do this one right here. I'm gonna right click and copy image or save image as actually. And I'm going to save it in my pictures. I'm going to save it as Batman. Save. All right. Now I'm going to bring up my Inkscape. And I'm going to go to File and Import. And I'll go to my pictures. Let's see. Here's my pictures. And OK. I get a little bit bigger there. All right. So from here, I'm going to go to Path and Trace Bitmap. And click Update, see what it looks like here. I'm going to try different ones here, see which one you like the best. Edge detection. Edge detection makes it a little better, but it's missing parts. So I'm going to let's see here. Will increase the threshold. Will that help? That didn't help that. All right, let's go back to brightness cutoff. And I'm going to decrease the threshold. See what that looks like. All right, that really didn't help it. So I'm going to say OK and stop. All right, now I'm going to go to File and I'm going to save as. Here I'm going to click DXF. I'm going to do the DXF R14 and I'm going to put it back in my pictures. And I'm going to call it Batman again. And I'm going to click Save. And OK. All right, now I'm going to pull up my MasterCAM. And in MasterCAM, what I will do is I'm going to, well, first, I was trying to decide what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to do the, I'm going to do a full before. So I'm going to go rectangle and type in 4, click on the origin there, click check mark, right click and fit. Okay. Now I'm going to go to File, Merge, And let's see, pictures. Notice it's still wanting MasterCAM files, but I want the DXF. There's the click open. Okay, now that's our little box down here, and that's our MasterCAM. So we want to scale it. I'm drawing a window around that, around the Batman. I'm with in selection, and I'm gonna click on move, and we're gonna scale. I know for a fact it's gonna be like a 0.01. Okay. I'll hit check mark. Now here's our box. Here's our what we just scaled. So we're going to do a dynamic here. Do another window around that. But in selection, I'm going to bring it down here closer to the box. All right. Still needs to be a little closer. Let's go ahead and put it in the box. All right. Right click, hit fit. Now I can see that my Batman is too big for this 4x4 box, but I'm going to put it right here in the middle. Hit check mark. Now I'm going to go back to scale. I'll draw a window around my scale. Hit in selection. And I'm going to come down here. And I'm going to make it 0.9. 0.9, put it right inside the box. All right, check mark, check mark. All right, there's my Batman in there. And now I can put words in there if I want to. Create letters. Come here, pick out a font. And I'll just do Batman. And let's see here. The height way too big, so I'm gonna put 0.5. There's about right. And I'm gonna come up here and click Batman. Check mark. All right. So now I've got my drawing designed. What I'll do now is I'll go to Machine, Mill, Default, Contour, Window, and I'm going to draw a window around the stuff here that I want to engrave. I'll click on it, and notice I don't have any of the outside box selected. Hit check mark, go to Tool, right click, get Tool from Library. I'm just going to get this 1/32 flat end mill. This will be tool number 1, length offset 1, diameter offset 1. I'm going to run this on the CNC router, so I'm going to go 5,000 and 20 inches per minute on the feed rate. Cutting parameters, I'm going to turn that off. Lead in, lead out, I'm going to take that off. Go to linking parameters, I'm going to go minus 0.02 and done. Now, this will run on the CNC router. Just to check it out, I'm going to set the stock setup. Y of 4, X of 4, Z, the stuff we'll be using is 0.5. I'm going to put this arrow over in the corner, check mark. And now I'm going to run a test on it here, or not a test, but a verify, and hit go. There we go. I don't know why I'm having trouble hitting that dynamic rotation, but there we go. So we're good with it. Now, of course, I can't with this home version, but what I would do now is hit the G1 here, create my G-code file, and take it to the machine. And I'll show you that in the next lesson. All right. If you have any questions or comments, email me or message me. Have a good day.